This is the Tokyo Subway Lost Property Room. From 179 stations throughout Tokyo, they take in over 2,000 lost items per day. They're first sorted by factors like when and where they were found. Other factors like color, shape, and size are also recorded.
31の50にはイヤリング、耳当て、色が紺か、紺ストライプ、紺です。はい。
Fragile items are thoroughly wrapped. As for lunch boxes, any leftovers are disposed of and they're then cleaned to prevent odors. This kind of attention to detail, too, is omotenashi.
どんなものであっても、お客様の大切な財産と、して扱っておりますので、すべて遺失物として取り扱っております。
こちらよろしいですか？
それです。ありがとうございます。
On rainy days, they take in a ton of umbrellas. This man lost his keys. Good thing they found them, or he could have been locked out of his home. Their dedication to returning lost property is all part of Tokyo's spirit of omotenashi.